Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili pickle without oil, updated. Chop chilies carefully and work on a clean surface to avoid contamination. Use vinegar, salt, and minimal water to create a safe acidic environment. Toast whole spices gently to bring out flavor, then crush them and mix into the chilies. Pack the mixture into sterile jars and seal tightly for fermentation and storage in a cool place. Combine measured vinegar, salt, and optional sugar to create the pickle brine with predictable acidity. Prepare fresh chilies by washing, drying, and trimming stems while wearing gloves to protect your skin. Lightly toast coriander and mustard seeds, then grind them coarse for texture. Mix spices and brine into the chilies, stir well, and transfer to sterile jars. Label jars with date and store in a cool, dark spot to develop flavor. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like so I can create more oil-free recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated and prevents spicy hands from reaching your face while you cook, which is a small lifesaver. I dropped a link in the description where you can find deals and more info, so check that out, and now let's get back to the video. Allow the pickle to ferment at room temperature for a few days to weeks depending on taste preference and ambient warmth. Check jars daily, pressing contents down if necessary, and tasting cautiously to decide when fermentation suits you. Once the tang and flavor are right, move jars to the refrigerator to slow activity and preserve texture. Keep utensils clean when sampling to prevent contamination, and always use dry spoons when removing portions from the jar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.